In order to identify the greatest portable ice makers, we sought for well-regarded units that effectively produce premium ice cubes. We also took each machine's portability, noise level, usability, and overall worth into account. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. Igloo's small, transportable ice machine is fully equipped. The compact machine can quickly produce 9 brand new cubes in only 7 minutes and can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a single day. The bundled scoop makes it simple to transport batches of ice to your freezer or cooler, and the basket it comes with carries around 2 pounds of ice. The Igloo Ice Maker has an intuitive control panel and is incredibly quiet. Simply plug it in, fill the reservoir with up to 3 quarts of water, and select one of 2 cube sizes. There is no requirement for the unit to be linked to a water source. You can see how much ice is prepared thanks to the transparent cap at the top. When not in use, it is simple to drain extra water thanks to a drain plug at the bottom of the appliance. The automatic portable ice maker from Igloo is available in red with a retro-inspired design, aqua, white, black, and stainless steel. At number 2 is Crownful Countertop Ice Maker Machine. It is less priced and has comparable capacities and ice creation times to other, more expensive models. The ice may emerge from the tray, a little bit smaller than a typical ice cube. One of the most reasonably priced ice makers available is this one from Crownfold, which costs only $120. The bucket itself can store up to 80 pieces of ice at once, and it only takes 7 minutes to generate a batch of 9 ice cubes. The machine itself is simple to operate and comprehend thanks to a single button that can be used to switch the machine on, off, or into self-cleaning mode. Additionally, there are helpful indicators that let you know when the bucket is full or if additional water is required. At number 3 is Euhomy 40-pound Countertop Ice Maker Machine. It can hold a whopping 40 pounds in a 24-hour period. For compact locations, the machine could be too huge. The majority of the portable ice makers on this list only create 28 pounds or less of ice in a 24-hour period. Choose this sizable but still portable ice maker by Euhomy, which can manufacture 40 pounds of ice every day if you are seeking for a bigger and even more effective choice. Every batch produces 24 ice cubes, and each cycle lasts between 12 and 18 minutes. The water tank has enough space to accommodate up to 120 ice cubes, and like some of the other models on this list, it recycles any melted ice cube water to ensure that nothing is wasted. Additionally, there is a practical 8-hour timer feature. You can set it in the morning and have ice waiting for you when you return home. At number 4 is COSTWAY Countertop Ice Maker. It contains helpful LED lights that let you know when the machine needs more water or is full. The size of the ice cubes is roughly equal to a quarter. The Countertop Ice Maker from COSTWAY makes 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in a batch, and the LED panel makes it evident when more water is needed or when the ice bucket is full. It can produce ice continuously at the push of a button, with a 26.5-pound capacity. It also comes in 6 different colors and has a useful scoop. The ice maker can be permanently installed on your kitchen counter or bar area thanks to its small footprint, but it is also light enough to carry around. At number 5 is Newair Countertop Ice Maker Machine. Ice is produced by the machine in as little as 6 minutes. No self-cleaning function is present. The portable ice maker from Newair is an excellent option if you're searching for a device that makes ice very quickly. When you don't want to have to wait a long time to pour a glass, the machine's 6-minute turnaround time is useful. The machine can make a whole batch of ice in only 10 minutes, and its staggering 28-pound yield over a 24-hour period. To keep drinks cold or fill a cooler, users can choose between small, medium, and large ice cubes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products